Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. This is Agave. I'm a Colourarte affiliate. You'll find a Colourarte coupon code, and you'll double that if you decide you'd like to join the process. Join their, whatever the group is called. I'm not familiar yet. Like I said, Agave Blue. This is Fandango. And I'm going to try and pull those separately. Maybe together. I'm going to try a little Chrysocolla. All Prizm pours so far. Very similar, but not the same. Okay. Now, if my theory is correct and I can leave these heavy-ish, then I'll be able to come back again. Now, what I need, I guess, is a scrape dish, and I have some. Until I want that paint, it's going to stay right there. Wipe it off. Now I want some reds, and I've been using Rhapsody Rose, which is a primary element. Also been using some Alizarin Crimson. I wonder what I did with that. I bet it's right over here. Yes, it is. It's right over here. And that's a Vivid Intense. But you need to open the bottle all the way, woman. And I'm going to join that up with some jasmine. And the temptation is to also, I don't know why I bother wiping things off. It's not like paint isn't going to get on it later. This is Red Violet. And I have one more color. Oh, I should not use that yet. It's a custom purple. I don't really know that I'm 100% certain I'd be telling you the right ingredients. I'm going to dip that in and push it back a little. I would have stopped short if I thought I was going to run out of color. I'm going to use what I've got on the edge of my spatula. And I should, wow, yeah, I've got some in there. Something worth rescuing. I'm being called to sour lemon that I put a little holly berry in. And I think I'm just going to use the saffron. I didn't use it yesterday. See, I'm trying to just follow my instincts as I go along. I'm going to tip that down. If I'm not mixing them on purpose, they won't mix. Yeah, I saw that thing on the canvas before I started. Not that specifically. So I'm going to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. There on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is on my link tree. Just sort of tidy up my... I don't think there's probably a very good reason to do it, but I'm going to do it anyway. Trying new things is part of the game. Even if it's trying to fix things that you're not sure you did right to begin with. I need some more Tuscan Sun. Or actually, I'm just going to use some Tuscan Sun. I hope it's staying. Got some grit in there from somewhere, and that's irritating. That's kind of interesting so far. I think I still need my Princeton. Actually, you know what I like using even better than that, and I'm not sure I got them all out. It's my little rubber silicone brushes, which work great for taking paint off and utilizing it on my spatula. In this case, I'm going to camouflage hopefully I'm going to camouflage that Chrysocolla that seems to be showing through. Just knock off the extra wood on the edge. Before I wipe off my spatula. I'm being called to some purple. And what I want is African violet. I'm hoping I have some more of this. I should have probably spread it out a bit. But I'm also going to use the blue velvet. And what else? Anything else? I'm feeling periwinkle, but I'm not entirely sure there's enough left to do much of anything with it. It feels pretty light, this bottle. We'll give it a shot. Everything flows better with art fluid. If your paints ever get too thick and you don't want to use something like Floetrol that'll dull the sheen, art fluid's the ticket. I am going to grab an edge catcher just for a second. Hope that paint chip doesn't fall in my paint. Let my paint run right to the edge. Wonder if you can hear the thunder in the background. We've got a thunderstorm coming. Should have used a dry spatula. I let that paint go down over the edge. Now I've got paint wasting. I think I have something in there that needs to come out. And I want something else. I want water lily. Dancing fuchsia's been calling me. Where'd it go? There it is. I'm going to try a little orange crush. right along with it. I think I'm going to use it down here as well. I need to design a new tool. That will allow me to swipe flat and have more control. I don't want that orange in there. I'll take what I've got though. Hope that it doesn't become a problem. Now I'm definitely hearing the call to midnight shadow. I have a favorite tool. I found it, yay. It just has a chisel front. That's actually kind of cool. So far so good. I'm going to wipe that off on my paint pants. Of course, I can always come back the next day. I'm sure I'm going to run out of time before I get even part way done. And I decided not to try and add wet paint to the canvas. I'm going for it. I do want to use some of this purple that I had to use up. want some green. I need to steal some paint. I don't really need to steal some paint. I could actually take it out of the bottle, but I'd rather. I used a little pink carnation straight out of the bottle up here. I'm pretty sure you didn't see that. This is Tuscan Gold. Which Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. It speaks to the YouTube algorithm. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, one-on-one, or purchasing an artwork. Linked here you'll find promo codes for color art products and pixel paint designs, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at around 2 p.m. hopefully. There's something else. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more, and I have 34 playlists of 100 videos each, and everything's organized by topic and genres. If you need anything, don't forget, ask questions. It's fine. Thank you for being here. Bye for now.